silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We're back into positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we also remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. And as with the daily chart, we are dipping into negative MACD territory. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $21.47. My sell target is at $22.84. My stop loss is at $21.21. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.67. And that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.75. My stop loss is at $23.95. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicket trading, silver futures has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.